What are you doing, Owen?
See that splitting over?
I know. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah?
What are you doing? What's that?
Tack.
It's a saw.
But what are you doing? What's wrong? What's wrong with the floor, Owen?
Okay.
It's broken. Okay, so that's a saw.
What's that, Owen?
Slayer.
The drill?
The drill.
He looks like he's doing a home improvement
does it
show.
Booking.
What sound does it make when you drill?
Wait. Dad.
Make the sounds.
Bang.
To bang? Yeah, the hammer.
What did you get?
You get a hammer with the hammer?
Please don't.
Alright, put it back down. Bang it back down. Good job.
What's that?
That's a square to make sure that everything's straight. It's a measuring tool. Look, look, look. So you can measure. Measure, see how big? See the numbers? Measure and make sure everything's straight. And then you put this one on it to make sure it's level. Is it level?
And then you use the pliers to grab Daddy's nose.
Yeah, don't grab Daddy's nose. You gotta fix the floor. Use your pliers and your screwdriver. Stop, get your hammer and bang it back down. It's coming up again.
Up there.
Where's your hammer? Get your hammer.
Why?
You gotta bang it back down. Bang it back down.
Wait, that way?
Do you want? We have Gorilla Glue.
Almost there.
Almost do it.
What's that?
That's a wrench.
It's a wrench. Like this, buddy.
I don't know.
Owen, is it all fixed? Say all better.
Wrench. Take the wrench, you go like this. Where's your screwdriver?
Uh-oh.
Where's your screwdriver? Can Daddy see your screwdriver? It's over there, behind you. Where's it at? Here it is, right here. Look, look.
Guys, there's one.
Owen, say all done, all fixed.
I got this.
You fixed it? Good job.
Yay! How much do you charge an hour?
That one.
How much do you charge an hour? Do you want to go to Grandma and Grandpa's
What do
house?
you want for fixing it? Oh, and what do you want for fixing it? What do you want for fixing the floor?
Yeah.
What's your payment? What are you going to get? What's Mom and Daddy going to give you because you fixed the floor? Besides more jobs.
Uh-oh. I forgot that.
It's all fixed. See, all fixed.
Uh-oh, see.
All fixed. Leave it alone. It's all fixed.
Let's go no one. Let's go no one.
Look for another spot.
No spots.